Stress is such a big factor in how we recover today because our system is designed to protect us, and it does a great job of putting us in the fight or flight state. And the issue is, if we live in that state and we're in chronic stress, then that leads to chronic disease. Think about when you are stressed and you want quick recovery. The fastest way to do that is with targeted, precise wavelengths from Sunlighten. We have mimicked all the clinical studies for far infrared, near infrared, mid infrared, and red light therapy, so we know the exact, precise way to transform the body. There's numerous studies on how far infrared heat can quickly shift the body into a completely relaxed state from the sympathetic state to the parasympathetic state. What happens is when far infrared heat is absorbed deeply into the body responds by decreasing cortisol levels, by decreasing your resting heart rate, and by increasing the important heart rate variability. One of the things that makes red light and near infrared so powerful for controlling stress in the body is that they activate the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the driver to get your body into the parasympathetic state. It's really important to have precise targeted wavelengths as well as independent wavelengths, because when you separate out the wavelengths, then you get the maximum penetration or absorption of every single wavelength. The most important thing is to get started using a Sunlighten sauna. Only 15 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week is perfect. Shifting into the rest and restore state is the most important part to allowing your body to heal and recover. The changes people notice when they start using a Sunlighten infrared sauna is they instantly feel calmer. Really, almost the moment they walk in, their shoulders drop. They feel they can breathe easier. It's not just during the sauna session that they feel better all day.